You're watching Breaking Ground and I'm Swati Joshi. Rahul Gandhi's mentor Sam Pitroda wanted you to believe that Indian democracy is in danger because some hackers allegedly hijacked an event he was addressing at IIT Ranchi and played a porn clip. But here's the problem. It was one gargantuan lie because IIT Ranchi doesn't even exist. Yes, you heard it right. The Ministry of Education has exposed this falsehood, fact-checked Pitroda and called out his fabricated claims. The government official statement is crystal clear. There is no IIT in Ranchi. There is an IIT or Indian Institute of Information Technology in Ranchi, but IIT Ranchi has confirmed that Sam Pitroda was never invited, neither physically nor virtually, to any event. And Sam Pitroda's claim reeks of ignorance as in an attempt to malign India's premier institutions. Let's in fact take a look at what the Ministry of Education has said. It has slammed Sam Pitroda, saying, and I quote, "It is hereby clarified that there is no IIT in Ranchi." Therefore, the statement made in that video is not only baseless but also reeks of ignorance. It is pertinent to state that there is an Indian Institute of Information Technology, IIIT, in Ranchi. But IIT Ranchi has also confirmed that Sam Pitroda has not been invited by the institute for any conference, any seminar to deliver a lecture physically or virtually. Sam Pitroda's history of questionable statements and outright falsehoods is well documented. On 1984 Sikh massacre, he said, "Hua to hua." On Pulwama attack, he said, "Such attacks happen all the time." On Ram Mandir, he said, "Building temples won't solve our problems." On wealth redistribution, he cited the US example and tried making a pitch for replication in India. Who can forget his racist comment when he said East Indians look like Chinese, West Indians like Arabs, North Indians resemble whites, and South Indians look like Africans. This is the pattern: misinformation, distortion, and irresponsible statements, and shockingly, Congress leaders are rallying behind him.
Recently, I was speaking at the Ranchi IIT to almost several hundred students, and someone hacked in and started showing all the pornography, and we had to turn it off. Now, is that democracy? Is that fair? Recently, I was speaking at the Ranchi IIT to almost several hundred students, and someone hacked in and started showing all the pornography, and we had to turn it off. Now, is that democracy? Is that fair?
Certainly, it's kind of stuff which are flooded by bhakta on social media. So what happened that they have indulged to the hilt, abusing and hurling abuses to opposition or those who do not agree with it, and it is consequences of that. It's a result of that, the kind of ecosystem they have created on social media.
While BJP leaders are calling out Pitroda's fakery, some within the Congress and INDI bloc are still attempting to defend him. Listen in.
I don't know why any one of us is surprised at what Rahul Gandhi's cronies do or Rahul Gandhi's advisors do. They use lies all the time. This is not the first time that they have lied. Sam Pitroda has been caught out in a lie. This is the same person who said the 1984 riots, genocide against Sikhs don't matter. This is the same Sam Pitroda who said higher taxes don't matter. And this is the same Sam Pitroda who has taught Rahul Gandhi that redistribution of wealth is the way to practice economic ideology. So, look, I think these are people who desperately today lack any good ideas for the people of India, lack any good ideas for taking the country forward.
I condemn this issue, and I feel that the BJP is now also influencing the students in the various institutions, which is not fair in a democratic country. I condemn this incident, and the IIT Ranchi should take disciplinary action against such a student who disturbed the entire function.
बट सैम पेट्रोडा कोई भारत के लिए सिंबल नहीं है कि उनके वो क्या कह रहे हैं. मुख्य बात यह है कि भारत के लोग, वो सभी लोग जो भारत की स्वतंत्रता संग्राम को समझते हैं, वो सभी लोग जो भारत के संविधान को मानते हैं, यकीन रखते हैं, उनका ये मानना है कि जो भारत का लोकतंत्र है, इस अधिनायकवादी रिजीम में नरेंद्र मोदी के इस देश में खत्म किया जा रहा है. लेकिन इसके खिलाफ पूरा विपक्ष, इंडिया ब्लॉक, समाजवादी पार्टी, आदरणीय राहुल जी, माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी, सब लोग मिलकर इसको लड़ने का काम कर रहे हैं.
Sam Pitroda's reckless statement has drawn sharp criticism from the government because IITs are not just institutions, they are the backbone of India's scientific and technological prowess. 23 IITs across India have produced some of the brightest minds in the world. IITs have contributed immensely to India's global standing. President Draupadi Murmu herself lauded IITs for proving India's capability in technology. The Indian democracy isn't under threat, but truth surely is when leaders like Sam Pitroda spread baseless claims.
Now he has been schooled by the Ministry of Education for his utter lies. Mr. Pitroda claimed that he was virtually addressing IIT Ranchi when his speech was virtually interrupted by certain people hacking in and playing objectionable content. There happens to be no IIT Ranchi. There is a triple IT Ranchi, and that too has not invited Mr. Sam Pitroda, virtually or otherwise, physically. This means that he not only wants to defame Indian institutions, Indian democracy, which his mentee Rahul Gandhi does on a daily basis, especially on foreign soil, without any basis, and perhaps due to motivation from certain funds and certain other forces outside the country. But he also wants to malign the reputation of India's premier institutions. And rightly so, he has been schooled. Will Mr. Pitroda apologize for his lies?
We have Tejshri joining us on the broadcast with more details. Tejshri, the BJP has hit back at Sam Pitroda, calling out his fakery, but then there are some who are still backing him.
Well, yes, absolutely. That's very much surprising because the kind of questions that the Hua to Hua fame Sam Pitroda has raised on the educational institutions, that's quite surprising. And in fact, Congress leaders or some of the Congress leaders are also supporting his statements rather than condemning and issuing a rebuttal to his statements. They are in fact supporting the fact, according to them, is that the educational institutions are working at the best of the central government, and not just that, but the students, the way they have behaved, it was quite undemocratic. But now let us have a look so as to what the statement of Education Ministry says. Statement of Education Ministry has very categorically clarified and have schooled Mr. Pitroda that first of all the institution's name that he has been taking, that is completely wrong. There is no such institution named as IIT Ranchi. First of all, the institution's name is Triple IT Ranchi, that is Indian Institute of Information Technology Ranchi. That is what in fact the actual name of the institution is. And the kind of statements that he has been making, those statements are completely baseless, and if he continues to make such kind of statements, legal action will be taken against him. There will be legal repercussions that he has to face. Not just that, but they have also highlighted that Indian educational institutions are so reputed, and not just that, but also this particular institute, Triple IT Ranchi, has given some of the brightest minds to the country. And such kind of statements that have been issued by Sam Pitroda, they are completely baseless. And that's why, in fact, BJP is also hitting out at Sam Pitroda, because remember that this is not for the first time that he is giving such kind of statements, which has erupted a massive controversy, and then the central government, the Ministry of Education, has to come out and give a clarification on it. However, as of now, it is also interesting to note that Sam Pitroda has not clarified that in which event he was invited, as asked by the Ministry of Education, that Triple IT Ranchi has not invited him neither virtually nor physically, nor for any conference, nor for any lecture. So then where was the statement made? Who invited him to give such kind of speeches where he said that obscene video was played made while he was giving a speech. So as of now, we are awaiting for an official response from the Congress party, from Sam Pitroda himself, that where did he give the statement, what he has to say on the kind of clarification that has been issued by the Ministry of Education. Back to you.
Right, absolutely. Now, this is not the first time, Tetri, that Sam Pitroda has given such a statement. And his controversial statements have led to political face-offs in the past as well. But one thing that does not change is the constant support of the Congress party. Even when he resigns, he is reinstated. So one thing is very clear, irrespective of what he says, he'll never be perhaps reprimanded, pulled up, and he will continue to do this.
Well, absolutely, and there is no public apology on the kind of statements that he has been making. And in fact, you see, as far as earlier also, if we see the statements that he has been making, there are such kind of statements that question the democratic values of the country, and not just the democratic values. You see, there were also such kind of statements that also hurt the sentiments of some religious group. If we talk about the Hua to Hua kind of statement that he gave, we saw the pan-India protest taking place, and then the Sikhs of the country coming out asking Congress party to apologize, and that time also there was this massive uproar over this entire controversy. But then what next after that? There is no lesson that's been learned by the Congress party, neither by Sam Pitroda. He kept on questioning the democratic values, he kept on questioning the institutions, and now he's questioning the educational institutions and calling it undemocratic. And that's why BJP is questioning so as to how come Sam Pitroda is calling this particular this entire incident and relating this entire incident as undemocratic. And in fact, if there is some and then that is why Ministry of Education had to step in to clarify that there is no such kind of institution. He was he was neither invited nor asked to come for any speech.
All right.
And then
all right.
legal
Tetri,
action
thank
will
you
be
for
taken
getting us
against
the
him.
details. Another